10 2015 Ford Focus Transmission 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Fiesta Focus Clutch Actuator Replacement 2011 to 2017. Is your 2011 to 2017 Fiesta or 2012 to 2017 Focus automatic transmission feeling less than perfect? It's time to rediscover smooth, confident driving. Our clutch actuator replacement is specifically engineered to restore that factory-fresh performance. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy and high-quality ABS material, this actuator promises unwavering stability and impressive longevity. Forget worries about extreme conditions. Its robust high and low temperature resistance ensures consistent, reliable operation year-round. More importantly, this vital component effectively controls your vehicle's shifting, directly enhancing driving safety and maintaining incredibly smooth gear changes. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a responsive, reliable transmission. Upgrade your drive today. Number 9. Ford Focus Fiesta Automatic Transmission Actuators. Is your Ford Focus or Fiesta automatic transmission feeling sluggish or throwing frustrating fault codes? Revitalize your driving experience with our premium automatic transmission clutch actuator. Specifically designed for 2012 to 2017 Focus and 2011 to 2017 Fiesta models, directly replacing OE E8Z7C604A. This critical component is essential for flawless starts and smooth stops. Crafted from OE standard, high-quality materials, our actuator ensures exceptional durability and consistent performance you can rely on. It directly addresses common clutch and slow actuator issues, significantly improving your transmission's efficiency, reducing driver fatigue, and restoring that crisp, precise clutch engagement. Experience enhanced reliability and the confidence of a responsive, fatigue-free ride. Ensure your vehicle operates at its best. Choose dependable performance. Number 8. 2012 to 2018 Focus 2.0 L Engine Transmission Mount Kit. Experiencing rough vibrations or excessive engine movement in your 2012 to 2018 Focus 2.0 L. Refresh it with our premium engine transmission mount kit. As a leading manufacturer, we craft these mounts from high-quality materials, rigorously testing them to exceed OE specifications. This ensures a dramatically smoother, quieter, and more stable driving experience. Designed for a precise, factory-like fit, this kit is compatible with your 2012 to 2018 Focus 2.0 LL4 engine, referencing OE numbers A5520, A5646, and A5612. Drive with confidence. Your purchase includes a 1-year warranty and dedicated customer support. Restore, or even improve, your Focus's original feel. Number 7. Ford DCT Fluid. Give your Ford DPS6 PowerShift transmission the precision it deserves with Ford DCT Fluid. This isn't just any fluid. It's specifically engineered as the perfect match for your twin dry clutch system. Crafted with advanced synthetic base oils and performance additives, you'll immediately notice smoother, more consistent shifting across all ambient temperatures. This is the exact fluid required to meet WSS M2C200D2, ensuring flawless compatibility and optimal operation of your transmission's intricate shift mechanisms. Beyond delivering seamless gear changes, it actively protects against wear and corrosion, significantly extending your transmission's lifespan. And thanks to its low viscosity, you'll even enjoy improved fuel economy. Trust the fluid designed by Ford for Ford. Number 6. Ford DPS6 Dual Clutch Reset and Unlock Tool. Tired of frustrating transmission issues like shuddering or jumping gears in your Ford Fiesta or Focus? Our Ford DPS6 Dual Clutch Reset and Unlock Tool is your ultimate solution. Engineered with a direct fit, OEM design from durable carbon steel, this 6mm, 14-tooth tool effortlessly unlocks your dual clutch. Simply insert and turn counterclockwise to release, restoring smooth operation within minutes. Compatible with 2011 to 2019 Fiesta, 2012 to 2018 Focus, 2019 Transit Connect, and B-Max, it precisely addresses problematic P0902/P086 actuator codes, enhancing your vehicle's performance. Save hundreds on mechanic fees and confidently get your car back on the road. Backed by a 12-month warranty and lifetime professional support, you're investing in reliability and peace of mind. Number 5. Transmission Fluid. Motorcraft XT11QDC. Motorcraft XT11QDC transmission fluid isn't just another fluid. It's your vehicle's first line of defense. As a product expert, I can tell you this precisely engineered solution provides exceptional drivetrain protection, safeguarding crucial components against wear and tear. Crafted with innovative manufacturing techniques, it delivers the perfect lubricant solution, specifically designed to meet your vehicle's exact needs and keep it performing at its peak. Choosing XT11QDC means investing in smoother shifts, superior heat resistance, and ultimately, extended transmission life. This substantial supply ensures you're equipped for thorough maintenance, giving you complete peace of mind. Give your vehicle the Motorcraft advantage, the expert choice for unwavering performance and long-term reliability. Your transmission will thank you. Number 4. Automotive Transmission Fluid. Want to ensure your transmission shifts flawlessly for years to come? As a product expert, I can tell you that genuine Motorcraft XT105Q3LV transmission fluid is absolutely key. This isn't just any fluid. It's a precision-engineered auto accessory designed for optimal performance, guaranteeing ultra-smooth gear changes and significantly extending your transmission's lifespan. Forget guesswork. This perfectly sized package, weighing in at a convenient 9.23 pounds, provides exactly what you need for essential maintenance or service. Investing in Motorcraft means choosing unmatched reliability and the peace of mind that comes with protecting your vehicle's critical components. Keep your ride running its best, effortlessly. Number 3. Pre-programmed Ford Focus 2.0 L TCM replacement. Is your 2012 to 2018 Ford Focus 2.0 L experiencing rough shifts or a sluggish drive? Revitalize its performance with our pre-programmed TCM replacement. This isn't just a part. It's a direct, ready-to-install solution, saving you the hassle and cost of dealership programming. Engineered for superior performance accuracy, you'll immediately notice smoother acceleration and a more responsive, enjoyable drive feel, restoring your Focus to its optimal state. Crafted with durable construction and robust materials, this replacement guarantees exceptional longevity and reliability, withstanding wear and tear for consistent performance over time. Invest in a lasting solution with confidence. Plus, for ultimate peace of mind, it includes a full 1-year insurance against manufacturing issues. Get your Focus shifting like new, effortlessly and dependably. Number 2. Luck OEM Clutch Kit for Ford Fiesta, Focus, EcoSport. Restore your Ford's signature smooth drive with the Luck OEM Clutch Kit, precision engineered for a perfect fit in your Fiesta, Focus, or EcoSport. As an original equipment supplier with over 30 years of expertise, Luck delivers the professional-grade quality you can trust. This rigorously tested kit meets strict OEM performance specifications, guaranteeing reliable and efficient operation for thousands of miles. Installation is straightforward thanks to our complete package, which includes a new clutch, disc, all necessary release and pilot bearings, spline lubricant, and tools. Built to handle both daily commutes and more demanding situations, this Luck Rep set ensures long-lasting performance and renewed confidence on every journey. Give your Ford the exceptional quality it deserves. Number 1. Ford DPS66 DCT 250 Clutch Kit and Release Fork. Is your Ford's automatic transmission feeling less than perfect? Restore its smooth, responsive performance with our premium DPS66 DCT 250 Clutch Kit and Release Fork. Expertly engineered for a precision fit, this kit directly replaces OEM numbers DPS6, 6 DCT250, and 602000800, perfectly suiting your Ford Fiesta, 2013-18, Focus, 2012-18, EcoSport, B-Max, or C-Max. Crafted from high-quality, durable metal, it boasts exceptional temperature resistance for a long service life you can trust. Experience seamless gear changes and precise clutch engagement, vital for optimal speed control and a truly enjoyable drive. This comprehensive package includes the pressure plate, clutch disc, transmission bearing, release fork, and ring, everything needed to get your Ford back to its best. So, that sums up my 2015 Ford Focus transmission. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until